The next step in setting up your web pages is setting up the general landing page. Navigate to the general landing page tab and then go to the data inputs page to begin. First thing you want to do is going to set up your landing page title. As you can see here, we have a split option title set up here at Tony's, our demo store. Usually the best way to get started for simplicity's sake is just to do this single option, which would mean that you would have one title going across the top of your screen. That you would just fill in right here and then click the screen button. As you can see here, we have heroes throughout pretty much all the manager, sort of like help boxes that you can click on if you have further questions about how to use a specific area. The next thing that people will see on your landing page is the image, and this is where you can load one from your computer and then click the green button to update it. Lastly, below the image there will be a description, and that is written by you, and you can write it right here in this box, then click the green button. And then those are all of the elements that are going to show up on the front of your landing page. The next step is to decide what kind of button setup you're going to have at the bottom of your landing page. So you can see here we have a number of options. The best one to start with is the full service entry. That's going to be this one here, and this one is, in my opinion, the best one to start with because it gives people everything they really need, everything that you would, let's say, want them to do with your store, which would be to access your shop, to favorite you, or to look at your specials and promotions. And the cool thing about this full service one is that if you, let's say, are not using the promotions section of the manager and you don't have those enabled, or you don't have favoriting enabled, these buttons just won't show up then. So it adapts to your selections here. So this one's the most versatile and the most offers the most options. So you can always change this later if you want, but for now I recommend using that one. And then this tab here, you set up the background color, the text color, and the font sizes on your landing page. This is as simple as just selecting color from here and then clicking the green button, so on, title font, description font size, and so on. And this disclaimer you can ignore unless you sell products that are illegal for those under a certain age, or potentially offensive to some group somewhere, in which case you can have a disclaimer. You just click check to use it. You can type it in here. We have a sample here. If you want to change it, and then click the green update button.